right, good afternoon and welcome to Sober Network. Inside Kotoko, Prince the Defender. We have a call here.
I mean, I don't know, we be fine, but.
All right. Now, in some of the doors, but you shall see in a boy more than said, majority of it, you know, you can want some on this very platform. Prince.
Yes.
Come on, Asante Kotoko. Management structure, no. Okay, MC na many these are common. And I make a say. You refer to your shop. On the executive chairman.
Yeah.
Asante Kotoko. Like I keep on saying, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Obit Michelle Sober and saying who video him say there be one subscribe here. And turn the notification bell on the honor.
Yes.
Story about if you are late, be about 4 days time about video ni go Facebook. Oba check it day maybe I shall 4 days ago.
Yes.
One thing. So subscribe to the channel. Very simple. Here are Osei Brown, Joshua.
Yeah.
And the executive chairman.
Yes.
Edema Kotoko. So he's the head of the Kotoko board and also the head of the Kotoko management.
Yeah.
Though in business term, as a board chairman, management nation asset.
Yeah.
But our executive chairman, he chairs the board meetings and also chair the management meeting.
Yes.
That's Osei Brown. Then there were 2 board members in Kofi Aban Doctor and a Kwesi Ofori. So that's the board members.
Yeah.
Now the management of Asante Kotoko. Okay, see United to just say Kotoko be appointed a CEO. Then Kotoko be appointed a director of football.
Yeah.
Now the CEO will be a non-football person.
Yes.
You can platform so. Say a non-football person you'll be say football people, you're more on managing clubs. If you are not a crowd rep.
Yeah.
Maybe a general manager.
Yes.
Maybe did you want to have a CEO? Let's look at someone like Kujo Fiano. Whenever you mention Kujo Fiano, why Juma or baby for pain? But the obvious one, I catch you be attention when Kujo Fiano name is mentioned. Football,
yeah.
Ashcoot. Your phobia say no Drew Safo. Your phobia even 30 years of crew. These are the people that classify as football
people.
But I say go for a non-football person because the director of football will be the head of footballing decisions. Whereas the non-footballing person will handle other strategic ideas of the field. Enhance the development of Asante Kotoko. Now we kaya yura Professor Mensah. Yeah, the whole story is I'm the story behind the story. Bremo said, opinion, you know, and you may be a one laying it down. Our person in 24 a man assurance.
Yeah,
and they lead to the decision. And later, they were two just said, and nobody my thing. When you finalize it with the leadership.
Yes.
Inti I had it ebe check akra. Ebe train kakra. Ema me to aso to enu say you know akwa me ba nuako. Oh no so you say or ye corporate person and also a football person.
Yeah.
So no about to management almost 3 times. Or then at a point na Karela. And the Senator Brigidi the late. No. Then because no GMPC and Karela so now they were sponsored by GMPC. Tina or a sustainability manager and Tina GMPC. Na football side no the neck for Karela into a football person.
Yeah.
But can't be a ban to just say time. Because you say he occupies a big position.
Yes.
Our oil industry, you know. So on that time, say Kotoko Ejumano, Makachi say Kotoko Ejumani and any part time. It's full-time work. Because it's a multi-million business that you cannot afford to have a divided mind when you are handling Kotoko.
Yes.
To come back actually to just on team just see where Ejumani yet because we need it. In 10 past 1 person about that one thing say Kotoko Abana catch it and watch Kotoko anu form to be chire muntem. but side to just say a break a crowd one penny for year for to offer it.
Yeah.
And we think a news about say or a consultant for this board offering his help when they need.
Yeah.
People are still asking questions about Professor Ade Mensah. Now, Prof could hear interview or Angel FM.
Yeah.
On a morning show, so Angel in the morning. Now, in some way, maybe two just say one, job security. Say opinion in one say what you have a full-time job in two jobs you may not to.
Yes.
Ending and ansana
Yapamo.
Maybe I need to do one I want me achieve it. And I'm saying you may new one if you fail to perform, it affects your CV.
Yes.
And your ambitions.
Yeah.
And you man so here bre and a so job security was one of the reasons. Then Mensah to him say as opinion so want to say pressure no. And what thing into Emma as of fast track it on your ma.
Yes.
And also one of the dream of Professor Ade Mensah what can openly is someone that I follow so much because of Prempeh College. What can openly say a person a vice chancellor Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Yes.
Or a circle for no believe in additional academia hono. They saw a coin in pa. No one say oh just add an at all. No asabaha. Intina ayeno in tanta. Fortunately, Prince Papa Nankasa Kasa.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I think let's just listen to the audio. Credit to Angel FM.
Angel FM, yes.
Yentino. Na on church mukakra. It's coming to Kotoko. Whether star stories name maybe a trim say obed. Maybe kind whether I am throw. And I say no correct. Let's listen to Prof. Prof is a very nice gentleman.
Yeah, very nice man.
I think I jansi hono. Base bi ho.
Okay.
Omoche yam kakra. No mama pork no ne.
Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah, base back.
Come up.
Adom Joy.
Okay.
Yes. Opposite La Petite Pharmacy.
Maybe a bobo so there.
Honey me tie di juma kakra.
Oh, heavy for.
Barber shop bi ho. Men barber shop na nim ho a. Omo yes set. Me share Prof. That was my first time meeting Prof. Openly. Only me dim come lovely. Me tie hang around
Hono.
Hono ya friends of Kennedy. Japan. Omo tie yo.
Mo settings no.
Mo settings no.
So we heavy.
Yes, I'm back for me and me tie body them. Me Jimmy Nyoma na me dey go me curb na. Prof had a wonderful discussion. He's a nice gentleman.
Oh yes, very nice man.
Nice
looking man.
I mean, impact. That day when I catch you and say, Prof, I would love to interview you one day, and let's talk about life and motivation and how you can set your life on the right path.
Yes.
More on that. Let's listen to Prof. Nearby, you digest it in some more kind. Now, a foot will be more.
Nancy beto gaso was CEOs ya bo di wom ntine nipa dodo na ewe ni mu se Kumasi Asante Kotoko the next CEO Professor Ade Mensah. I'm interested in football.
I am interested in football. Me ball ma Prempeh College. Me ball ematia media and me kasa the school team.
School team.
Right.
Okay.
Me ball ema KN University. Inter areas I ball. Tatania ball police depot. Me Bobby Payne. I have been in a football match. Franka Manko Ejinem, Joe Debre Ejinem, na Kufo, Sami Kufo, and Susu Ejinem.
Now, position.
Me boy 11, ne 10.
Okay.
Now, as I say, I must have you. And it's about footballer. Now, my papa or me served Kotoko, or your Kotoko team manager.
Okay.
At some point, he was responsible for Kotoko under 20.
Biological father.
My biological father, Ochidako. And at some point, Obabe acting CEO
for Kumasi
Asante Kotoko. At the time, I know director of cultural center of Isaac Kwachi, Isaac Kwachi, Ekoye Juma cultural center, and it was because he was responsible for Omo. Satan Omo Kotoko and 20. Baba Rahman, Isaac Osei, Omunina na Omoye. Your friends, me papa Sebi Ninkwada. And he said about footballer, minimum football. Na me play football. Now, the Eddie Kain, when conversations were had with me, say, me consider the prospects of becoming the CEO of Kotoko. Of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. There were 3 levels of discussions that were had at different times with people very high up so far as Kotoko setting. Yes. We sat, had discussions. Now, there were a lot of things to consider. Dedi Kain, I am a through and through academic. And my main trajectory is academia. And the things to consider here, one, sir, it was going to take me away from academia, totally away from academia. And this is not a job I now be me part-time, a full-time job. And it would take me away from academia. They told me, job security. And they said, so Kai Utoado. Utoado had a contract with the Black Stars. Or no, a coach there. But the example still suffices. No, a coach for the Black Stars. Now what happened? Adeche Okodai as a coach, Adeche no nye coach bill. I'm young, but I'm not too young. I don't care mentioning my age. I'm 51 years and 6 months. But what the bitch say? Enjoy. And there's a need for me to be able to plan my life. I have 3 kids who are in school more 20 years, 19 years, 15 years. Into the situation where you take up a certain position, na unim say adienche now that's what was said jumana. For any young man in my shoes, it is a consideration. Okay. I will say umiki. Okay. There also Mensah, and I think that footwear was here the Kotoko supporters, any the various stakeholders. Yeah, na edidi atemo ewo saa ne manum na edo so dodo.
So o consider no so.
Obi be ka kira say oh. Sabi imprediasa. Enkofo omani so ade. Achia me mokra omudi omatem. Now this is the kind of skin Achia me has. And the kind of experience they have. Me sabi. Me ni sa skin ni bi. Okay. And why you careful obe be radio anopano. Ubi angel ye do atemo ho. Pure FM ye do atemo ho. Ye do atemo ho. And ni nyina kokosi say e be a team na lose match. They are aware say Nadia na would not pitch so Bobi. And it is not as if they're able to pinpoint a particular executive decision that was taken. Ama saad yene eba. Okay. And so said in prayer, sir. All right. Near chum form. All right. It is anyway na me consider. Na at the end of the day, I'm sure say discussions no eda so eko. Say nyame pa ebisi. Say nyame pa.
Discussion no go so eko so.
Aye.
So also be the CEO at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ti nyame pa ebisi.
Nyame pa ensi.
Prof Yedas. Professor.
What? Prof CV ne dia.
Ejawum pa.
He needs no introduction.
Debi.
When it comes to innovative ideas, he'll call for noche. The term, the drive, the focus, instantly catch you be attention.
Yeah.
Because Obian him say, oh ye hasi important hana bibi toa. So we Ghana only Ghana, Obusu ye ni no hana honey at the nebeko. It's a sabiano any good shaper. It just say you are in danger. And then che.
Yeah.
Now say the new CEO but two just say emergency unit no. Nipana on Abroso. He made it clear. Yes. MI leading to the suspension of the new CEO.
Yeah.
Unless you are not into the political world. More on that later. Or can say be or say the term. Job security.
Yeah.
What is your take on that, Prince Bamiti?
And on my 3 reasons why Kotoko Ejuma no one accept this year.
On one kasa
nanum. Really on one kasa. Mensah on one kind. So but on one kasa can say because of academics and some because on one kasa muna no ohwe niam is sin ani so opese wo ya school in 7 gusu and so and also send your kind and class our plans of said that be akra no oba be the vice chancellor of the Confanoche of Ken University enti no ni nyina no niema eno so bar to play into academics here de ba ko onfe ni agro kra enti no so kind of plans ho say one day obefura ba be the vice chancellor KN University school mo. Then aside that job security there no kan ya na example or de ba ya no so bet o say otoado de no case study ba ko onfe ni agro o so otoado ti senke na ene o head coach okoda ma de chen ya onye head coach biem enti ono no otena sidia na ohwe busa na wose at the age no eno kan age ne say 51 years na ohwe ne family a wo ne ma no so no so won kra 3 ba ko 20 ba ko 19 ba ko 15 omomi ensa na se ochina bi no obesori na onye CEO biem of Asante Kotoko a eno no ebe problem kakra eno no so no ba bi opese o driving ho edekọ no se ochina bi no wantimi anya CEO ni biem ana se kobase wonye adwuma ebe ha adwen yie pa entino job security ya one thing opese o te ase se oye adwuma no from breben na kwakosi breben o is secured pressure be ni so
like a contract
woman
5 years contract
yes no who say oye adwuma no she yes enye se ye wo hono ma wo de ye adwuma na wo hono ma ade be che no na ye be ba na ye se bia board ni gu ye no yes e wo se ono so as management no ono so ko dabi sa bi ni ta na de enye no na wo pay because the family ade ba ko mfa ni agrokra and the mami and sano krenti through no he wants to get to the very top no e wa brabum then so bad ade ba ko kan ya e hono de prof kan ya na e mesre kakra but or when it take e ne dia was wo kan e insult no ane kwa de kan was insult na ewu no ono aka say so say e di atem no e na doso because o say onye obia na what thick skin sa ebia obi wono ma be kan asema fa no ho ebia enha ne bebre obefa ne normal obi nso wono mo nso ade obeka no ebetimi adidi ni mu ache yie pa etino sansem no kan ne kwade wasade ye futu se eya na Asante Kotoko supporters na enya abotre kakra because entimi ma se oba be ye adwuma no na ade beche na ye de ne ti radio so ye de ne si TV so na anopa bia na ye twabo ne sa there before that eno ne de onjintum se eno ne beboa. It was said these are the 3 reasons why I say no to Asante Kotoko job no. Now, who can say ope football pass over there no kre. Prof per football pa. Or can say in the days no community gala aya no mbobo no one Franka Mankwa bobo pen, one Joe Debra bobo pen, one Samuel Sekufo so bobo pen. And even ne papa so crown esa froya ba be team manager of Asante Kotoko. Esa ye under 20. Esa ye CEO pen. Edema Asante Kotoko meche urada ochireda ko omu nyina ni dibre onyan no Kotoko team ni minti no ono kra no oyo obi a ye wo no e wa Asante Kotoko kuo ni minti woni mekuo ni pa e na meetings no so no confirm say omu nya meetings mprebe ye miensa so bed o se enye empanifo ketwa high power delegation pa e no ne omo tena se e na omu ye meetings no but sa nyema miensa ye bobo oso yi no e na the reasons why when timi anje adwuma na anye sisia but the very good thing and say o se enkomo no e say koso behind the scenes still enkomo koso and e say nyame pa na se bibia go through a e bia da achi bia no ye be hu ne say ono na eba be CEO no o se still na no guso any board no omo ntam no enkomo no ye kama pa still do betimi confirm ama ye ne say enkomo koso kama pa enti no with time no e bi obeba say oba on board so bad me hwe ne profile no he is more of a medical man bisa etino niama bebre wono ma eye wosua dia kwachi woninim niama bebre woninim nkonfo ye well connected any adia etin kan expertise no eba on board to Asante Kotoko anka bebo Kotoko yi pa it will project Asante Kotoko very high and because onye obi a ye terms no or football person ntino so bad almost ano odi onya de omo ba o team ne ho a eya na o tie attract lots and lot of sponsors because say ora ochida adai ene di wanim as CEO na imagine member company be adim but ora into the big companies na wokrum ha say no omu wo sika pa na there is no way they will say no and nyamencha de politically he is well connected and in terms of say onya aban enwuma ni bi sponsorships e de ama club na de and can also kabe fire pa de ama team no he's a fine man 51 years. Eti ka be kan say still ahoden wo hono ma wo betimi aye adwuma de ama Asante Kotoko. Ba sene ya na de bia ya kan so bed. Aya Kotoko supporters no enya abotre kakra. Yenim the pressure e wom to be Asante Kotoko CEO. And obi bia opese obeye ekuo ni bia no say ye the pressure bebre si nipa no so a enye obia na betimi sa anyama no. Obi wo hono ma wo betimi aye adwuma pa. But e wo se onya abotre kakra ma no. Na ne kɔ no kakranka krasa na nipa na timi deliver obi wɔ no nso a the more na wo ka no wo bɔ no tuja ni nyina no mfa ho enti no with nsɛm na ya na Kotoko supporters ni bi ka no mpanimfo no wɔ akyire a yɛ no mutie pa enti Kotoko supporters ne free ne ya kɔ de so bed omo tititi nneɛma so kakra because CEOs na e beba no te so opanyi ɔkyere ade mo saa no omo no ɛya na omo hwɛ ba bia ɔwɔ sisie yi no ohwe level a wo ohwe niam a wa build agu ho na a se ekine bi no beti ni din wo radio so se ebia na ye kan nsem bi fa no ho a ebia na enye ne de sampanifo na ya no omo ani wo omo niam ho yi pa etino with the insult of Asante Kotoko supporters from supporters ni bi no ye besre criticism is there, it is allowed we betimi criticize no we betimi criticize obi a but ye betimi aye sa dia no without insult say insult be ma na ya abuse because nipa no adwuma no ba ye enkoyi ya obetima catch and say aha ya wo ye ne enkoyi aha wo ye no say ni sika de fa hase anka beboa but to go to the extent to say o insulting the na a problem because mind you say our family our ma ne ma betimi akọ internet no so to read about sanya ma na mo kafa na papa no hu nyina no and ebia na anye omo so de so sanya ma miensa wa kan I really enjoyed the interview no ye with yenuanom Angel FM boshen ni team no me kan say so bad opanyi no Kotoko adwuma no ko betimi ema yen right ema obi anyi opanyi ni nsi nkyai the board should give him the job in the future not even say they say enye nne kra na so bad so they say enye nne a ana enye sa season we kra na from ebia next year next 2 years ekono we should see a man like this I will be Asante Kotoko team no adwemu no he's very nice and also so bad physically ne physical appearance no kra no something which no kra no timi kra de conjure magics bi kra de nya niam ko yo say so bad ye kro ma say no na ye hwe ni pa ye physique ne kra timi gina so kra e ma obibi o ko say ha say no na ye ni je sa nipa na wo ba no na ho fet on say Asante Kotoko mechanism min ko ye tribalistic but Asante Kotoko supporters ne was ade no ye see we no kra no or nice man bibi sa no or he is a very nice man which I think that he can take over the Asante Kotoko job in the future meeting interview the manager who ye pa he's done well
okay enti mo no nyina Prince now the one part that I would want to talk about here the insults. There's a fine line between criticisms and insults. I can't see much there. One of the Kotoko fans, who are very close to me, said, "May foreign news analysis."
Yes.
Okay. And I'm a local news.
Yes.
Every day we get journalists coming from Madrid, Marca, from Mundo Deportivo, AS, that's Spain.
Yeah.
Any news concerning training about Bonte. They even go to the sense of showing videos.
Yes.
Okay. Possible lineup for the say they be omo de ba.
Many day.
Obi o follow foreign news you have possible lineup.
Omo de bapa.
Omo de banya na correct.
Spain ho kra de bapa.
Banya en tom fa. Omo timi dey about 3 days before the game say we na best start.
Sa pepe nso na beba.
Omo timi ba say this week enti anya say Jose Mourinho. Or the Vini Kobo 7, not the Mbappe about 11. Now they say, as the flick person the Rafinha bo number 9. They bring this news out. Yeah. You be discuss about one analysis. Oh, be do what them.
You sort of idea.
When you want the free.
Yes.
And one thing about the foreign news granny is the stories are even on the internet because in Kofon and they now but Ghana you have to place the call. Go and search for it and bring it. We have good training grounds. Go and penny with your baby. dim command because you know and you saw mouth and command or no deal more dim command then you pick the stories from it I love it feel like I could do especially after Sunday because you need to go and sit week you know the bet chichiri na week ni nyina na chichiri because ya na jo that's coffee enye but the same analysis I be here for I be more about so over local na be Kafa club we bit me do attempt from an upper to enumere but do attempt
yes
and I told the person say mama say boys no go to TikTok enyam ebe YouTube no go to TikTok and look at how the number of young boys are Omucha Barcelona, Real Madrid, and other clubs content. Now look at the number of people they track Kotoko content. So what I say? Because when you criticize a Kotoko player, I found no time.
Yeah.
But I'm criticizing Mbappe on it. But boys now down, and no more pay.
No more pay.
So Kakrana Aka, one more year local. Yanka some of Monka. But a be more attempt to insult you deliberately. Then the enemy say, "Obaso obidu attempt no cop."
And also the enya cry.
Oh, say the idea. Obeka so criticize you. Me, there are people who criticize me. They treat the topic now.
Yes.
But they did the attempt.
And also the no.
Do attempt keke.
The attempt them they na abuse.
And Facebook had the Facebook the last time everything clear. And I'm a sure reality or excuse. It's just a question. You can come in and choose maybe a reality or choose excuse.
Simple question.
A caption. If you understand this job, video now me to say me churo bibi fa ho. Na what kind am also akere wa ade. So it should be thought provoking.
Yes.
Obi ba be di wa tem keke. Say wo se bu nim nyansa say asem na coach ne kan no kre no aba be churo reality or excuse. Whilst even in video, I mean, try me support to F blast F and say you cannot have football without a good pitch. You to me translate about a podcast, me a sound, a body, any camera.
Yes.
Let's say I'm a year.
Maybe.
But nipa nobody do what them. The last time I trust said Dan Lad, Abdul Wadia, and Aziz Arinadari choose one and bench one. My goodness, you started creating confusion in the team. You don't want the team to go fast. Debi aye who say mo comment mo sa nipa kro ya. When it is for you who say mo comment.
Yes.
If you bet me to choose Pedri, Rodri, Dani Olmo, select one. And we have Pedri, Dani Olmo, Frankie De Jong. Bench one set.
And the best selected. Best selected.
So be you Kotoko na. Obese who push the Kotoko narrative.
Yes.
Who push the Kotoko news into the system. Then you panic no about do what. It's when you be a test scanner. Or you 1, 2, 3. Not check a reaction there, ban. That's what the way too. When you create any people commenting and dinner tema, they start losing interest or the current one. Yeah. Go to the Babaya Sports Stadium and check the number of journalists Babaya. Every year a sort. Check the radio stations. I told this person that check the radio station.
Yes.
Now they say check how they are comfortable with foreign.
Yeah.
Oh, because PM pesa abuse, no. Nobody want that abuse. And boys also pay foreign.
Yes, you see, boys not comfortable.
So you 2 hours sports or 1 hour 30 minutes foreign. Or the LPM 20 minutes. Not last 10 minutes, no. Or the Aka Kotoko. And or the Aka Ghana football we are Soroko. These same people are telling us that you want the local content. But you are not appreciating those that is coming with the local content.
No.
Young fans of a transfer news say player no Kotoko a friend or my friend agent. The next day no aba. Oh, you don't say player no my friend agent ama player na kwakushia club administrators.
Yes.
That meeting happened the following day. Now the story number. We will do a time say no I saw cancel kushia and bring me something. Transfer ni na me from So their term is not just those are the top.
Yes.
Me no sa de na coming because my be Kotoko adwuma ne pen. Inti the attempt part no ma famu da.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the attempt na ba say no. And family who because I've been through tougher ones than this. But I keep telling people, say the other young ones now, I say inspire them. They are losing interest because go on Timmy. May a bomb dia obed, obit me frame. Only what is all your interview back in the days, Kotoko. What is all your interview? Radio station for from. No, a friend or the atola or the connect a console. Or see a through bed on fire. Timeno, now some of the supporters will come and attack you. I'm used to that. Face to face attack. I am used to that. It must be a true comment. I mean, I'm sorry because I'm used to that.
Yes.
But what about the young guys? Yeah, try to say about nature, interest.
Yeah.
Some of professor.
Yeah.
There are so many people in there. They would like to stay behind the scenes, do other things instead of taking the Kotoko job because on person be sorry anopa. Ni abobo ewie, ni a record or phone so. Ni a board radio so say sebi you unim nyansa. I'm out for media no. Some of the Kotoko stuff, especially now on social media. I would try and say this. Munya botre kakra.
Nya botre pa.
Munya botre kakra because some of the comments I am mu bitro. Na me nim say mo tro comment na say expect say any pan say ade chance from rana.
No.
Some of the comments ebu am betwere wie no. Nipa ni teskena the next day you switch to something different.
Yes.
Oba switch you to the Mbappe, to the Vinicius Juniors and we need peace of mind and you even fetch more money and attention.
Yeah.
How cry na man for your ratings you be rate you omo kese.
Foreign for no.
Exactly.
Money so mo ya de.
You sometimes speak to Kotoko, my nyabo try, I'm telling you in the next 5-6 years.
Bad thing.
Miss now go on TikTok. People don't post about Kotoko.
No. Say about for more. But so bad. Send pay ya so. Alvarez the beer update eba no okay o.
Oh.
Ya na mo yesi ni
update omo kan be 1 month.
Na nu kwa yesi ni yefunu kwa na ya.
Alvarez update omo ne mbro 1 month.
Yesi ni yefunu kwa na ya. Enso nipa no okay say wo kan kire no.
Sa ye chen no dey update for Abasa Alvarez yemi na wan go train.
Or okay.
And update Abasa Alvarez. Atletico Madrid for the statement about my say with the support of the board they are not selling the player to Barcelona.
Yes.
They sell him to any other club else Barcelona. Opa ma enya Kotoko play bi na any transfer stories series back to back. Na head you be see.
Yeah, you be catch us win story. We repeat you.
Now they be have.
Na need do atem.
Why a story crown I will try so be so that somebody will not get you wrong no. People na ba no aba be keka na adi actually no. I understand it is part of the job. But when it gets to the stage where people like Professor Mensah are staying away from the Kotoko job because of the hazard, it needs an attention.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And boss, me sure say, enyo no nkwana board no e consult no to take over as CEO. Eye dan ya omo consult nipa bebre e kan yera Professor Ochiade ehu. O mo ka kire ne se nkomra me CEO no. But me sure say nipa bebrebe ya omo frɛ omo ni nyina ni omo nyina di nkomo say omo mra on board no mra me ya adwuma no. Eye dan ya sankofo ya ye bo omudi ni nyina so bet sa ade ya ye kan wasemi omo nyina be raise sa issue no.
Of course.
Because none of them hwe opanyi niema ye boboso yi na ochina bi no ote se ye kana asem e radio so ye di na tem radio so a obetana se dia hwe se manja e kwantra me ba bia anwe me.
Yeah.
Enti ye beto da bi no.
Let me tell you. Sikani muzao.
Brenko.
One thing brother there one thing Kotoko be maun. As a Kotoko will take you to the next level.
Yes,
in terms
project
of your
you very big.
It will project you. That is something you just cannot take away from Kotoko.
Yes, and there.
But financially, direct returns from Kotoko. Anyone, sir? I'm being honest. Anyone, sir? So, TABS Kotoko CEO position. Now compare a CEO of other companies. Almost salary or more general to the CEO of Kotoko salary or there. Main. But just that I am me Kotoko CEO for 2 years. Now before more. Forget about the little salary that I'm getting. I will go elsewhere and use the Kotoko CV to make it times 5. Oh baby,
that's true.
So people look at that. But they will be so secured. So go okay or check the pros and cons no, let me support the club from a distance.
Yeah.
And let me be okay. One share qualified people because if you bet scout them and it's kind of from or share a home brain because imagine working Monday to Saturday thinking so the Sunday be rested. But in football Sunday the kind of peak time weekend na e home no and they peak time ejuma song also.
Yeah.
So there is no rest. I'm on fan chemse video we acha kakra we who story we hear me Monday to Friday we kwa ejuma. Okay. Sunday na other CEOs calmness kakra na emu tro no. Wo weekend in the Jana den aso. Off season, you are looking at players you are going to terminate their contract.
Yes.
Players you are going to sign. It's off season bonus so bad. Players na got tenef you know. Wo no on sign je wa home.
You are still working.
You are still working. And even if say your bobo we know people so what baby kura je wani a. Yeah ha no ye nyanjim to mu say we ye kotoko adwuma ani je ka ho.
There be
Into what you are home crowd baby no and no cry asem fufura if at that time the club is not performing
was beshi obi bete ba bi atwaw e da ba beto social media
you be sere echitafo ne se
nya botre
na kasa nya
botre pa
na amani pa bibire twi omo
na board na
brem on by appointment on my eye hu ai Davido
yeah
Asansu State Akoto State
yeah
so new faces number bibire sa Prof Yabotre na obetimi aye.
Oh, man obetimi aye. Prophet man dey.
Me sure say board we no they have a good vision. It's a 3 years cry na 4 years on the be man. Why en kakra man you mention akwe. We will meet again. Drop your comment our comment section. Bye bye.